The last lecture we have seen the classes and then definition of that. This is the instructor and department for the colleges, and we will see the attributes. Data values held by the objects class, we know it already. So instructor is the name of the class, and then we have got the attributes for that: time, age and weight, as usual. The operations, a function or a transformation that may be applied to or by objects in a class, not often used in object analysis, but it is a terrible. This is a useful. This is actually the diagram that has to be made when you want to do, right, draw the diagram of any object in object analysis. So we have got the instructor name as the class, and then we have got the attributes name, age and weight, and what are the responsibilities and then collaborations that has to be made by the classes, right? As now here in instructor is that he has to teach to the students, he has to give the marks to the students, he has to listen the complaints of the students. Okay, now this is actually the operations that has to be defined. And then link and associations. What is the meaning of the link and association? The means for establishing the relations among the objects and classes is called as all these things. That is, a link is a connection between the two objects. Instances. The instance is the of the object. The objects are there. That is, as t is equal to 0, there is instance. T is equal to 1 is another instance of the object. Then we should have a link between them. That link is there. And then association means the collection of the links with a common structure and semantics. This is association. Association means the common structure is there and common semantics is there. The common hardware and common software is there. As usual, if you see in the very simple language, logic, common logic and the common hardware. So the association between the links. That is, this is called as association. See now the association, how you do the association. Instructor teaches for a department. So this is a complete sentence, we can make it now. So the sentence can be divided into the three parts. The instructor teaches for a department. Instructor is one of the object, department is another object, that is a noun, and teaches for, teaches is nothing but the verbs, that is a teaches for. So teaches for is the association between the instructor and department. So link is there between the two objects. This is called as a link. The line which is drawn is called as a link. The association is called as a teaches for. So instructor teaches for department. By default, read association names left to right and top to bottom override with this signal which has been shown here. So either you should show like this, either you can show like this. This is an association. What do you mean by the object diagrams? The model instances of things contained in the class diagrams shows a set of objects, their links at a point in a time, useful preparatory to deciding on a class structures, useful in order to obtain to better explain more complex class diagrams by giving the instance examples. We will see now. This is actually the diagram which we can see now. That is, we have already seen in the last lecture. That is, these are the names of the instructors. Now there is a object that is called the instructor object, and this is I is that is a variable for that. That is called as the instructor I. Name is nothing but the penny. Another is name is Jelsky, and you can see the relations between these by the links which has been shown here now. So the instructor Jelsky will teach to the students and to the department of the DCS, Department of Computer Science, and also Department of Electrical Engineering also. So the both the people will teach to both the department. So this is actually the link between these two objects. Now you can see that what is the multiplicity used to indicate the number of potential instances involved in the association. So when the other associated classes are fixed, so two classes are fixed, they have got this class and this class is fixed, and what is the number of potential associations? How many instructors are teaching to the department? Which are the instructors are teaching to the department, and how many things are there? That is a star indicating the meaning to meaning. So this is a meaning to meaning relations, and some of the people are teaching. Giving instruction can teach for potential many departments. Also, the instructor can teach to the many department. Okay, and you can see now here So given a department employees is 0 or a more instructors, or we